Ya itulah ya. Seperti biasa, saya mau pasang thumbnail dulu. Ini jam 9.15 mulai live stream. Goyang nggak itu, goyang tengkorak? Ya Allah. Ini lo ya Allah, ternyata lebih besar dari 2 megabyte. Sabar, berarti saya harus ekspor ininya, jangan ultra, very high saja. Nggak ada. Biasanya ultra bisa soalnya. Udah very high saja. Kita turunin kualitas thumbnailnya, tidak apa-apa, lagian orang juga ngeliat thumbnailnya kan. Dah, setelah itu setelah kita pasang thumbnail, kita Abu Dhabi besok loh, by the way. Kita share ke si Discord. Mana nih? Ini bukan donation, notification. Dah. Sudah sepertinya. Nah, dah. Seperti biasa, starting line up kita tidak ada yang join, tapi sudah tidak apa-apa. Kita langsung gas. Continue, no escape. Dan sepertinya kalau misalkan judulnya no escape, seperti yang episode kemarin, saya sudah bilang sepertinya akan ada perang. Dan kabar buruk ya, kemarin terakhir saya punya shotgun, pelurunya cuma 1. Nah, dia tuh gimana tuh cerita itu. Sudah, lihat saya nanti ya. Aduh, benar. Abis ini lanjut game apa gue ya? Yang nggak terlalu lama. Tuh.
Is that around?
Yeah, sure looks like it.
Oh shoot. Kita bisa berenang ke bawah situ. Ngapain Anda? Kapal, bro.
It's a ship graveyard.
Mana kita? Oke. Nggak lihat gua ada lobang situ. Lagi epic-epicnya ship graveyard katanya. Tiba-tiba jatuh, astagfirullah. Harusnya loncat yo.
Looks like we can get down this way.
Looks safe.
It's about as safe as anything on this island.
Oke, sip. Kita naik sini. There is no escape. Adakah treasure di situ? Oh
We're
shit.
getting closer to them.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
That's Sam.
He's surrounded.
Come on. We gotta go get him. Gotta find a way to the beach.
Oh shit. Sabar, sabar, wait. Brutal, brutal. Gila, snipernya nggak mati-mati, bre. Ya, apalagi tuh Uncharted ini. Gila, nggak mati-mati, nah baru mati. Oh no, no, no. Kan nih granatnya. Keluar. Nice. Oh no 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 no. Sakit 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 sakit. Oh shit. Nice, mati. Sabar sabar sabar, kita snipe satu-satu. No no no. Oh. Sabar 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 sabar. Kita naik ke Elena aja. Ya. Ini udah mati. Cok. Nggak bisa nggak bisa nggak bisa. Tuh coveran hancur tuh pasti. Nggak mungkin tahan lama. Nice, mati. Kita coba maju. Sana. Sip. Oh shit. Dari mana? Dari bawah ya? Dari bawah. Kok cupu ya? Gimana, Mas? Nice, headshot.
Seriously?
Ada lagi, cok, mereka. Oh, shit, 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 shit. Oh, no, no, no. Ambil peluru dulu, ambil peluru, ambil peluru. Ada sniper, sniper, nice. Pakai, pakai, pakai. Oh, shit. Apa itu, cok? Heavy, heavy. Gila, ada dua, cok. Makan tuh tiga granat gak mati sih. Tuh gila, belum mati, cok. Oh shit, 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 shit. Jackpot. Let's go. Naik lagi, naik lagi, naik lagi, naik lagi. Nggak bisa, nggak bisa, nggak bisa, nggak bisa. Oh shit, juar. Mana sih snipernya? Nice, mati loh. Wah gila, itu sih annoying banget. Nice, mati lu. Oh, 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 take cover. Oke. Sabar, sabar, sabar. Nice. Let's go. Nice. Mana nih? Gila, gak mati-mati, darahnya abadi. Lah enggak. Apa nama ini kan nambah lagi. Shit. Tinggal 7 cok peluru gua. Mana tadi yang oh. Turun. Gini. Mana lu, sini lu. Astagfirullahaladzim, di depan mata, benar-benar di muka tuh. Gue digituin. Pakai ini aja, pakai senjata biasa. Buset deh. Ada Val. Aduh, cuma 44, cok. Cuma 44 amonya. Come on, let's go. Yuk. Oke, clear. Ini pasti nggak clear deh, tuh kan? Oh shit. Nice, mati lu. Aduh, ada shotgun. Oh shit, udah matilah. Matilah. Bang, baca namaku Bang Sorjono. Kenapa tuh? Ada up snitch. Sumpah. Gila lu. Nggak hancur gila armornya. Oh, mati. Yang ininya mati. Yang guanya juga mati. Oke, kayaknya gua harus ambil agak sedikit jarak. Oh shit. Wah, sumpah itu ngeselin banget, cok. Nice, mati kau. Oh shit. Granat. Aduh. Shotgun ya. Please. Bener-bener susah. Sulit. Mundur. Sumpah itu nggak lucu banget. Itu granatnya, ada granat, ada apa. Segala ada semua. Oh shit. Mati lu kan. Nice. Hancur tuh armornya. Nice, mati kau. Gila. Nice. Kena sendiri kan sama granat lu. Rafika dia. Ini juga enak nih. Awas. Nice. Let's go.
Okay? Yeah. I'm okay enough. Now let's find your brother.
Yeah.
Oke, mending ini.
Hey,
Yuk.
we can squeeze through here.
Let's go.
Okay. Where did Sam go?
Oh shit.
There's your answer.
Oh shit. Langsung tahu lo dia lo. Nice, thank you Alena. Nice, mati lo. Nggak kena-kena palanya, cok. Wih, gila lu. Oh shit, ada lagi. Nice. That's it. Pakai shotgun boleh lah. Mau cover head-nya ini enak ya. Ini berapa? Rafika aja. Let's go, yuk, let's go.
Shit, Sam.
Itu dia si Sam.
Shit, he's pinned down.
Nice. Mereka kita flank nih. Nice. Oh. Enggak lah ya harusnya. Oh shit, tetap kena anjir. Sip, aman. Tik lu ya.
Sam! Stay put! We're coming to you!
Gak usah belagu, Sam. Nice. Let's go.
Hey! Up here!
Sabar. Kita tukar senjata dulu. Kayaknya kalau misalkan itu pelurunya nggak bakal cukup. Wait, sabar. Ayo, mari kita naik. Oke, sip. Ada lagi ini copperhead, aduh. Enak sih copperhead, cuma pelurunya nggak ada takutnya. Ayo, gas.
Man, you're a sight for sore eyes. Yeah. How about we get off this damn booze, huh? Absolutely.
Oke, come on. Let's go, Elena.
Find my lighter?
Oh. No.
We're sitting ducks in here!
Oh, shit.
That RPG.
The cliffs! You take cover there! Rocket Man is down! Got it!
RPG down.
Right down! Nathan, get out of there!
Woi.
Nice shot!
Agak.
Oh, crap!
Ngalah lewat kolong nggak tuh pelurunya, astaga. Sip. Nice.
Oh, hell! Over there! From the other ship! Where the deck got
Oh no. Segitu doang kemampuan lu. Nice. Let's go. Oh shit. Sumpah berani banget, gila.
behind you guys! Okay, move on!
Our friends are back.
Take those suckers out! Nathan, take them out with your RPG!
Wait a second. Sabar. Sumpah, gila. Itu apaan, cok? Machine gun. Oh shit. Wah, gila. Tolong. Nice. That's how you do it. Oh no. Wah, gila.
Okay,
sana.
Yeah. Hey, come on.
Shit. Udah. Oh iya. Dapat. Oh. Go. Go. Okay. Brr. Go up. Up. How? Kemana, Cok? Oh, itu. Woi, Nathan, sabar dikit, Nathan. Tahan dikit. Oke, that's it. Oke, yuk lanjut. Come on, terus. Oke. Oh shit. Ini pistol. Holy.
Christ, how many of these trucks did you bring, Ray? Jeez.
Nice. Gurih. Crispy. Aduh. Tolong. Oh shit. Nice one. Oh no.
Shoreline Merc had an RPG.
Sabar. Oh shit.
Alright, truck. We're going.
Gua mati juga ternyata. Padahal udah ada RPG-nya itu, Shoreline RPG. Oh no shit. What the? Shit.
Shoreline Merc had an RPG.
Alright.
Okay.
Now we're talking. Oh no, nggak bisa sambil ini. Jadi sekali nembak cover, sip. Oh, no, mundur. Oh, shoot. What? Matikan itu. What the shit, mati loh gua kayak gitu. Gila aja lu. Nice, headshot tuh. Enak banget pakai barok sumpah. Nice, ada lagi dari kiri. Nice.
Shoreline Merc had an RPG. How is it?
Okay. Satu ya, itu satu ya. Mati kan Anda. Dah. Kelar. Sip. Kenapa deh? Oh no. Kemana, Cok? Ini kemana, gila? Oh, sini. Oh, no. Wah, ini seru banget. Sumpah, ini seru banget. Oke, oh no. Come on, lari terus. Shit. Come on. Oh. Buset deh. Gila nih. Buset itu, wah sumpah ini truk barbar banget, Cok, gila. Sampai dia reload. Nggak akan reload dia.
God and liberty, asshole. Yeah, it sounded better in my head.
Nice work, kid.
Thanks for the assist.
Sumpah barok kita 0 ininya.
Please.
Amonya nggak ada. Oh ya udah. Oke. Thank you, Sally.
Good to see you, kid.
Nick of time.
Yeah, well, a little antsy waiting around to hear from you two.
We gotta find Sam Langston.
Hey. Hey. Are you okay?
Yeah.
I heard those explosions. I thought.
Oh, that's all this guy.
You saved his ass again?
Naturally. How you doing?
Good. There were some close calls, but he covered me.
Hey. How's that? Oh. Bullet grazed my shoulder. You? Left side. That's my face. How'd you lose Rafe?
He led his crew right into one of Avery's traps.
Smart.
Hey, look. The whole Alcazar thing.
Yeah, just I'm gonna save that for later, okay? Which way?
On the beach, other side of this town.
Hai. Ya, dia baru datang setelah perang. Padahal lumayan seru tuh tadi perangnya.
What do you think we're getting now off of this rock?
Right, we could do that. Or we could head in that direction, which is a shortcut.
Shortcut to what?
Avery's treasure.
Masih percaya aja
We
dia.
just gotta go all the way around, but we can
It's
just...
screws.
Victor, with all due respect, maybe just
You
use
just
this...
don't know when to quit.
We're all here for the same reason, right?
We didn't come after the treasure. We came after you.
And I appreciate it. I do. But we're good. And we've got the lead. Now, we can do this. Nathan, come on. Look around. Okay? Avery scuttled every last ship on this island. You know why?
Because he was hell-bent on keeping his treasure, no matter the cost to the others around him.
Because he didn't want anyone to follow him. Because he was leaving. Look at this. Okay. I found his map of the island. Okay? That's his ship right under that mountain. That's where our treasure is. And it is exactly where Rafe is headed right now, while we stand around and be like idiots.
What if he's already left the island and his ship sunk somewhere out there in the middle of the ocean?
Then we find out where it got sunk. Right. 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 chasing this thing, huh? You and me. No offense to these guys. They don't need it. Actually, Sam, they do. Really do. Trust me, we've seen this obsession before. Sam, we're not those kids anymore. We're not. And we got nothing to prove.
Berarti sih saya masih percaya banget sama harta karun.
Right this way.
Si Nate aja udah mulai tidak percaya sama harta karunnya. Tapi si Sam masih mencoba untuk percaya. Padahal kalau misalkan harta karunnya beneran di bawah gunung yang tadi tuh, sayang banget kalau misalkan mereka inian sekarang, cabut sekarang, udah tinggal dikit lagi kan.
Why did Shoreline set up an ambush by the plane?
They didn't.
And what makes you so sure?
Because we're heading to the treasure.
There she is.
Mana? Ah, itu dia pesawatnya.
It's a long drop. How did you get here?
I hopped down a few of these walls, but it's probably got another way around.
Pulang dong Kinti ini. Ya udah pulang deh.
I jumped down from up there. It's too high to get back down.
Yeah, maybe there's something we can put under it.
Ini ada. Nah, kan bener. Terlalu easy.
Give me a hand, Sam.
Ayo bantuin, Astagfirullah, di jalan loh. Gua ngedorong. Ya, ayo.
Hey, you need a hand?
No thanks. We got it.
Ini jangan sampai ada perang. Gua udah nggak punya peluru ini. Udah tinggal 0. Nggak ada peluru lagi. Moga-moga aja perang. Oh, iya.
Hey guys, through here.
Mari kita. Lo bukan ke situ, ternyata ke sana. Sip deh. Langsung ke.
Well, getting
Oke.
there.
I can't wait to sleep in my own bed again.
So close.
Mati nih. Main loncat aja sih orang. Bukannya didengerin dulu dialognya, ya ampun. Kita dengerin dulu deh. Main loncat baik.
It's like a sky rail or something.
Uh.
Works.
There's no controls, but I bet I could pull the platform with my rope.
Ayo coba. Bisa ditarik ke sana. Berarti kita harus ke sana dulu.
Maybe
Jangan
if you
putus.
could get to that wooden platform down there.
Nathan, give me a hand.
What? Coba. Katanya dia punya ide. Mana? Mana?
Okay.
Oh, ini.
Victor? Can I borrow you for a sec?
Sure.
Go ahead, Nick. Yeah, we'll hold it down. You jump across.
Oke.
Gonna drop me, are you?
Tempting, but no.
Oke, sip. Berarti kita iniin ke sana. Oke, kita tarik sekarang.
Okay, we're ready.
Terus.
Well, this is some
Rose.
impressive engineering for a bunch of pirates.
This is nothing. You should have seen the elevators.
Elevators.
Terus.
Massive.
Terus.
You guys all right?
Yeah. It's like a roller coaster.
Come on up, Nick.
Oke. Let's see. Ayo,
All
mari.
right, Nathan, you climb on up. I'll grab you.
Oke, iya. Aman ya, aman. Ya, bener ya. Tangkep nih. Oke, nice. Nah. Ayo. Oh. Terpisah. Udah tinggal loncat sih.
Sam, come on. Come on, just jump. I'll catch you. Let's go.
No, don't you even think about it. You hear me?
I'm sorry I got you into this. All of you.
Hey, all that doesn't matter anymore, okay? Just jump.
I gotta see this thing through.
Sam, hey, listen to me. If you do this, I'm not coming after you. You hear me?
I'm sorry.
Sam!
Called your bluff.
He's gonna get himself killed. Come on.
Berarti kita
Spider, right? Cushions. Let's go.
Up here. Maybe we can
ngejemput
get off.
si Sam, ngejemput, nyusulin si Sam.
Let's just worry about the saving part first.
What the hell is he thinking? After everything that we...
Wasn't this enough? Let's just find him.
Oke. Baiklah,
We can
kita
get over
dorong
that
ini
wall.
kayaknya. Bisa bantu nggak?
Here, we got you.
Halo, Sally. Oke. Ayo bantu dong, tolong. Ayo, nah. Terus. Up. Oke, sip. Oke. Sudah direm. Oh shit. No. Remnya rusak ya.
Tank, go.
No, I got it.
Oke. Got it. Oke.
Now how the hell are we supposed to get up there?
We don't have enough time.
Nate? No? Not by yourself.
I'll come right back, okay?
Look, he is not going to leave without a fight.
Well, then I'll fight him if I have to, but either way, I'm bringing him back. Just get the plane as close to the mountain as you can. I'll be ready for a quick getaway.
Like there's another kind?
It's not fair. Doing the dishes, we take turns. Don't even think about not coming back.
Oke. Pasti balik.
Same to the boy.
Oke. Tanpa ammo. Dikasih ammo 2. Oke, sip. Brothers Keeper. Brother Keeper. Sip deh. Anjir, ini senjata gua cuma 2 pelurunya loh. Cuma bisa take down 2 orang doang. Astaga. Kayak mana lah. Oke. So where we going? Sana, sip. Nggak capek apa nih orang? Oke, footprint.
Footprints. Sam! God damn it. I'm sure he's a ways off by now.
Let's go.
Just gotta head to the creepy mountain. Save Sam. Get the hell out of here. Yeah. Nothing but the-
Oh, oh. Footprint.
Back on the trail.
Back on the trail.
Footprints in here. Now, which way did he go?
Itu kota Libertaria kalau nggak salah ya. Ya nggak sih? Kurang tahu juga saya ini, mohon maaf. Naik ke atas sana, Sip. Let's go. No. Oh shit, hampir aja, gila. Lo kok nggak bisa L1? Astaga. Nggak nyampe ternyata L1-nya.
Back on the trail.
Oke. Oke. Slowly. Oke, sekali lagi. Jump. Oke. Nice. Gila, tinggi banget, cok.
No footprints. I didn't fall to your death, so that's good. Still have a chance to.
Gila, tinggi banget, bray. Mana kita? Oh, situ. Oke, sip. Ke sana. Please nyampe. Oke, nice.
Jesus Christ.
Ih, gila. Sip. Kita ke kanan dulu, siapa tahu ada treasure atau apa something di situ. Oh, no. Tidak ada apa ternyata. Tidak ada apa-apa. Camp. Kayak campfire gitu. Waduh. Ada note.
There's his grace. Close but no cigar, pal. Almost at the finish line.
Close but not cigar. Dia juga nyari harta karunnya si Avery itu. Tapi gugur.
Footprints.
Fresh footprint. Gila, ini ammo tinggal 2, cok.
Here we go.
In we go.
Hey, Sam!
Jangan teriak-teriak dong, ntar tiba-tiba ada si Rafe kan. Berabe. Oh. Jauh sekali itu, long way down. So long way down. Hati-hati, hati-hati. Yes, yes.
Now, there you are. Okay,
Kemana dia?
here we go.
Licin banget gila. Nice. Next. Oh shit. Oh no. Oke. Gila, tinggi banget. Drop. Berarti Sam bukan kesini jalannya pasti. Soalnya jembatannya ambruk kan. Oh. Mana kita? Kayak ada something sih tadi. Apaan tuh? Kodok ya? Oh iya kodok. Oh. Balik lagi. Turun. Nice. Turun. Nice. Mau kemana ini kita, woi? Halo. Oh, sini. Let's go. Dua kali nih. Let's go. Ayo. Mati. Harusnya dua kali tuh. Dua kali gila. Oh shit. Oh no. Okay, sip. Nice. Getting up. I don't know how I made it. But I made it. Oh, bener. Every ship. Kapalnya Every. Kata Sam bener. Apakah di dalam sana ada yang namanya treasure itu? No. Menjadi angan-angan kita selama ini, yang ampe si Nate juga udah nggak percaya sama harta karunnya. Seorang Nathan Drake loh, the legend. Kita selalu dikasih view ke shipnya itu loh. Alright. Oh shit. Okay, nice.
This is my way down.
Oh, mana nih, Cok? What the shit? Gua nggak ngelihat itu harus loncat di situ, astaga. Kenceng banget ini, bro. Mati aja dua kali di situ. Shit. Oke. Oh no. Tolong. Oke. Begitu sulit. Sumpah itu dia auto ke kanan gitu loh. No, I forgot. Gua lupa. Iya, mari. Oh, no. What the ayo. Sumpah itu nggak bisa, Cok, di situ. Oke. No, kenapa ke kanan, cok? Astagfirullahalazim, astagfirullahalazim. Ada dua tadi, nongol satu, tiba-tiba hilang lagi. Oh. Oke, we're safe. Wah, gila. Ininya airnya bersih banget, cok. Tuh, gila. Demen banget gua. Biru banget, biru. Duh. Tapi nggak ada ikannya. Sumpah biru banget, biru ini air. Harus milih. Ayo mari fokus mencari Sam. Oke. Oh, treasure. Nice. Oke, ke sana yuk. Kayaknya ke sini nih. Nah kan. Oke. Keep it going. Oke. Siapa itu? Siapa itu? Shoreline.
Almost done here?
This is the last
Nadine.
of the men.
Good. We are, we can catch up with the others.
Holy shit, siapa itu? Sam kah?
Sam just stole our goddamn boat. He's headed for Avery's ship.
Let him. We're done.
We're done.
Most of my men are dead, Rafe. And those who aren't have already left.
Can you see that? The end is literally in sight.
That maniac pirate of yours has rigged this entire cave. I'm not setting foot on his ship.
Nadine, if you cut in one right now, the loss of all your men, everything that we've done is for nothing.
We have millions in gold right here. I'd say that plus our lives are sunk.
No wonder so many of your men abandoned.
Excuse me?
We're on the verge of making history here, and you're willing to just walk off with a pittance, a fraction of what Sam's gonna get from that boat.
If he can walk away from that ship alive, he can have it. Hell, I'd say he's earned it. God knows you didn't.
Now look, we can stand there and insult each other all day, or we can finish what it is that we've done.
Oh, we're finishing it all right.
Oh no.
Sorry, man.
Thing about mercenaries, Nadine, their loyalty, it's bold. It's not earned. Come on. Either we can finish this thing,
Gitulah kalau misalkan kesetiaan
or we can just end it.
bisa dibeli dengan uang. Ya seperti ini. Jadinya.
Let's go make history.
Let it go. By all means.
They're gone. Oke, kesempatan kita untuk untuk memunculkan diri. Ambil napas dulu, sabar. Sip, boleh lagi, belum. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Naik yuk.
Let's see what you have in store for us, Captain.
Chapter 22, A Thief's End. Let's go. Chapter terakhir sepertinya. Karena di depan mata kita sudah ada every ship atau kapalnya every, dan sepertinya kita tidak punya boat atau apa, jadi kita renang saja. Pada manja, bat lu manja. Nih gua renang. Ya Allah. Astagfirullahaladzim. Terus Oke, terima kasih jalan masuknya. Ini shoreline yang tadi. Si mercenary lah bilangnya lah ya. Oh, Sam. There's nothing out here. Oke, ngebak. Astagfirullahaladzim, hampir aja. Halo Sam. Halo, Anda di mana? Ini kah? Oh, ini yang tadi, Cok. Ke bawah kah? Oke, ke bawah bener. Sip. Lu lihat itu. Ini nggak mau diambil dulu 1-2 gitu. Buset nih, emas semua.
Sam? Sam?
Oh.
Hey, Nate.
Where's Sam?
Oh, he's right there.
Sam?
Relax, he's alive. This idiot nearly got us all killed.
We're getting him out of here.
No, you're not.
Rafe, you can have the treasure, all right? Just let me save my brother.
After everything he's done? How noble of you. But no,
We stay here any longer and we're all dead. Is that what you want?
that's not what I said. What do you think, Nadine? Good to see you up and about. Be a dear and relieve Nate there of his gun.
Hand it over.
You really think you can trust him?
Not your concern.
Now, why are you trying to instigate? Nate? Nadine and I are partners. I don't screw over my partners. Get over there. You and your brother, though. Right from the start, you took advantage of my generosity. You tried to cut me out, and it's high time you learn.
Oh.
What are you doing?
Now you give me your gun.
Nadine?
I won't ask you again.
You are being profoundly stupid right now.
Look over there.
Stop screwing around. Jesus!
I said look!
Okay, it's a couple of skeletons. So what?
I don't know as much about history as you boys, but I've got a pretty good idea who those two are.
Well, enlighten us.
It's Avery, too. They killed each other.
Good for them. What's the point?
Everyone obsessed with this treasure gets what they deserve.
So what, you're just leaving us here to die?
Oh, I'm just leaving. Whether you die or not, I don't really care.
Nadine? Wait.
So long, Rafe.
Nadine! Nadine! You open this goddamn door right now!
Rafe, she's gone! Come on, give me a hand, we'll all get out of here.
Oke, kita kerja sama-sama si Rafe kah?
Come on, help me with Sam and I'll help you open the door.
I'm not going to be able to enjoy one of these coins. Knowing that
God
you
damn
and
it.
your worthless brother are still sucking.
Ayolah, Rafe.
Just
Situasi genting kayak
calm
gini.
down. You can practice your fencing when we get outside.
Nate, just shut up.
Oh,
Seriously, Rafe, this is insane, even for you.
You want to hear insane? Nathan
Dodge,
Drake
left
raised
attack,
a madman
attack,
and his entire army to
right
the steps
attack.
of somebody.
Oi.
Jesus.
Oh,
Nathan Drake found the lost city in the middle of the Rube al-Khali desert.
shit.
You interrupted me.
Eh. Wait.
Get out of here together. Nathan Drake discovered the fabled
Eldorado. Itu Uncharted 3 tuh, Eldorado kalau nggak salah.
Rafe, stop.
Atau enggak Uncharted 1 lupa gua.
It's a legend.
Installation.
You know, I shot the man who told me that.
Look, I get it. You don't like me very much.
You know, for all your greatness, Nate, you have nothing. You are nothing. And I warned you to get out of my way.
Nice. Mirip ini ya, si Rafe mirip siapa? Mirip Jack Grealish, pemain City. Iya nggak sih?
Fine, Nate.
Dia mirip Jack Grealish, cok.
Two-bit thieves. A senile con man. And a washed-up journalist take that away from me.
Take that. Nice.
You care about that parade of losers so much. I'm going to make sure they join you.
Oke, come on Rafe, ini udah kebakar
That's the spirit.
cukup banyak.
You know how to sword fight?
Yeah. Sticky with the sharp end, right?
Oh, this should be fun.
Nice. Let's go, pelan-pelan aja, pelan-pelan yuk. Oh shit. Kita ngeblok inian dia 3 kali aja. Nice. Sabar. Nice. Oke.
Sword still sharp. So slow.
Nice, kena lu ya. Oh shit. Gua lupa malah pencet kotak, cok. Nice.
Come on, quit prolonging the inevitable. My arm's getting tired.
Hey. Oh no.
You make it too easy. Now we're getting somewhere.
What the hell is wrong with you?
Gila lu. Jadi cepet banget dia. Abis lu. Oh. Kena kan lu perut lu.
Come on, legend.
Oh shit.
Come on, Nate.
Nice. Buset, pegel tangan gue ini.
Come on!
No way, mati cok.
A little disappointed, Nate.
Dari tadi komen cuma segini doang, Syak. Kok Syak sih? Aneh lu. Ya mau gimana ya, emang cuma segini Buset, jadi kenceng cok dia. Wah, jadi gila nih orang. Gua nggak bisa nebak dia menyerang dari kanan atau kiri gitu loh. Dia tiba-tiba ancang-ancangan dari kanan, tiba-tiba iniannya dari kiri serangannya. Woi. Sabar bro, santai. Gila aja lu. Gue suruh nangkis sebanyak ini. Nice. Sakit tuh pinggang. Woi. Santai bro. Tangkis semua bro. Nice. Habis ya. Okay.
We're done here. Taking my brother and we're leaving. You want to stay and burn with the ship, you be my guest. You got me.
Oh shit. Dari tadi panggil Pak Bio, sekarang Harsha ya guys ya. Selalu.
With delusions of grandeur. Who, by the way, can't fence for shit. So long, Nathan Drake.
Nathan!
Oh. Udah capek dia, udah capek.
Don't hand it to me. I had everything handed to me on a goddamn silver platter.
Sumpah itu dari tadi gua kontrol, Cok. Kagak gua lepas itu. Bukan scene itu. Gua kontrol sumpah begituan.
You want the treasure, Raven? It's all yours.
It's all yours. Lupa segitiga gue. Astagfirullahaladzim, lihat komen. Astaga. Jadi nggak epic, Cok. Astagfirullah. Ulang.
You want the treasure, Raven? It's all yours.
Aha, let's go. Ayo, Sam, come on.
It's too heavy. Strike it. It's no use. Try again. It's no use. Nathan. Damn it. Listen to me. All I ever wanted to do was find this treasure with you. We did it. We did it, brother, okay? It's all right. There's gotta be another way. Nathan, you gotta go. You gotta go.
This is Thompson. There is no other way. Come on, Nathan. I gotta know you made it out all right. Nathan, the whole place is about to blow up.
Think.
That's it.
Think.
What the hell are you doing?
Cannon.
Stressful. Damn it. Let's get your head down.
Masih ada pelurunya. Oke, tenggelam dong. Nah, ini bisa nih. Nah, sip. Pinter. Nah, terus Anda sekarang keluar gimana? Kelalap Anda di sini. Every ship. Cara berenangnya Nate beda. Sumpah ini cara berenangnya Nate beda dan find the treasure. And now, don't stop. Satu watching, tadi 4, astagfirullah. Made it.
Oh, Nate! Nate! Hey! God, I got you. Are you okay? Oh, hey! Hey, Sully, I got him.
Where are you?
Right here.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, feel free to sell anything I left behind.
Sure I can't give you a lift home.
After the last few days, I think I'd like a plane with drink service and reclining seats. Plus, she and I have a lot to talk about.
No more late-night phone calls or last time.
Promise. Thanks.
Okay.
Take care, kid. Don't be a stranger.
Next time you're in town, here's your on me.
Why would you do that?
And the bunny escapes anyway, and it leaves little bunny surprises all over the headmaster's bed.
Hey, what are you telling her?
Just about your little magic maze. What was your stage name?
Go on, tell her.
Nate the Great.
Nate the Great.
It's not funny. It makes sense.
In his defense, it was actually, you were pretty good.
Hey, look, Sam, it has been an experience getting to meet you.
Handshake?
Well,
Aiming for a real big sister. Take care of this numbskull, all right?
yeah, I will.
Join you in a sec.
I like her. God help her, she sure seems to love you.
I know, right? Listen, the offer still stands.
I appreciate it. I like it.
Anyway, if you feel like you're imposing, you're not. We talked about it.
It's not about that. It's a little bit, yeah, but I just kind of thought that after we found this treasure, I'd be satisfied. At least that I left with a strange feeling of
Emptiness.
yeah.
As thrilling as the next adventure might be, in the end, you're always left with that same feeling. Sometimes you just gotta choose what you're gonna keep and what you're gonna let go.
Well, I guess I'm just not there yet. And besides, you got your ancient cities. And I can't let that slide.
So you gotta let the couple out there.
Well, thank you.
Oh, it's on the ride.
Yeah.
Sam, you've come far.
You sure have.
Listen, don't do anything I wouldn't do, all right?
Okay.
Green light?
So, Victor, what's next for you?
Well, before I got dragged into this,
Mhm.
I was working on a business deal of sorts.
Swords. Dangerous?
These people, what's that there?
Well, I just so happen to know a certain someone recently out of prison who might be perfect for this kind of work.
I don't know. Is he trustworthy?
More or less.
This is Portuguese.
Quando seu marido volta para casa?
What's that mean?
How long before your husband gets off?
That'll do. Come on.
You got any more of those cigars?
Don't push your luck.
Sudah? Tamat? Belum. GMI. Nathan Drake. Jameson.
Hey, good morning. Indeed it is.
Good morning, Jameson. Here it is.
All right, I'll bite. What's going on? On a big contract or something?
Oh, even better. I'm on the verge of selling Jameson Marine.
No way.
No kidding. Wow. Hey, I guess congratulations are in order.
Well, not yet, but I'm confident it'll go through.
Terus si Nate kerja di mana?
But in the end, I think we came to a mutually beneficial agreement.
That's great. Are you gonna stay on?
No. I think I'd like to just relax, hang with the family, go fishing every chance I get.
Good for you.
Udah dijual berarti bukan punyanya Jameson lagi.
Buy this place.
Oh, you won't.
What? Oh, come on, seriously.
Oh, yeah, seriously.
Wait, Jameson. Wait up, man.
Hey. Morning, guys.
What are you doing here?
Just thought I'd take, one final look.
Already gave your husband the keys.
Perfect.
Is this for real?
Nate, all you need to know is that you'd be making a very wise investment. Do the right thing here. Call me when you're through.
You got it. Hi.
Hi. You're buying Jameson Marine?
We are buying Jameson Marine.
Oh. Okay. How? Why?
Well, heard this rumor about a salvage job off the coast of Malaysia, and I thought it'd be right up our alley.
No. Honey, look. We barely got out of the battalion alive. Hey, taking an illegal job? You know what that leads to.
Who said it was illegal? Look. This came in this morning.
Apa tuh?
Is this legit?
Yeah. Some of my old contacts out there, they work their magic with the Malaysian Colonial Office. It was great. I didn't even have to bribe anyone.
Well, that's good because I don't know how we could possibly even afford to do this.
Here. Hold out your hand.
Huh?
Hold out your hand. Come on.
Holy crap. Where did you get this?
It was in my jacket pocket. Along with a bunch more.
A bunch? Sam.
He's a sneaky one.
Yeah.
Of course, most of them are going to have to go into our venture here, along with all the new camera gear.
Camera gear?
Yeah. I figured as we're pulling all the cargo up from the dive, we could hire a small crew to film the whole thing and resurrect my old channel.
What happened to just living a normal life?
I think in our attempt to lead a normal life, we may have oversteered. Look, when I was on that island, I missed the adventure. I missed us. And so now we have a chance to do what we love. we are going to operate on a strictly legal basis, all right? And I will be doing all of the shooting with my really expensive camera.
You've really thought all this through, haven't you?
More or less. But listen, just say the word and I will call the whole thing off.
What? No. I don't want to be that guy who ruins Jamie's eternity time. That'd be cruel. It's not gonna be easy.
Nothing worthwhile is. So, what do you say, Nathan Drake?
Sure, why not?
Yeah.
Yeah, as long as I don't have to get a big
Well, I can't do it. I'm gonna have my hands full with the camera.
Well, I'm gonna have my hands full of blood and diamond.
Okay, fine. We'll take turns.
Or I could play for it.
Seriously?
No, listen, I've been practicing. I'm getting good.
No.
My handling is way better than it used to be.
I cannot do that to you again.
Are you afraid to play?
I am so not.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how scared are you?
Like a 3.
Yeah, well, jack that up to like 11, all right? Because I'm coming for you.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, my. That's... Okay. Fine. You're on.
Apa ini, Cok? What? Take the apa? Main game di dalam game. Go. Oh no. I got this. Come on, let's go. Oh shit. Hey, kenapa dia nggak mau lompat? What the Dia nggak mau lompat loh. Siapa ini? Siapa ini, cok? Epilog.
Old school.
Crash Bandicoot. Crash Bandicoot. Original PlayStation. I've tried everything, waiting for you.
Mom? Dad? Anyone? Yoo-hoo.
Kok berantakan banget coba. Doggy. Halo Doggy. Mana kita? Show the way.
I think they
Lead the way, lead the way.
We should totally throw a party in here. They wouldn't even know. All right. But just this one.
That's enough. Oke, boleh kasih lagi nih. Mau.
All right. But this is the last one for today. Okay?
Apa ini? Lihat banyak banget note.
Here we go. Oh, cool. Sam and Sawyer come to
Victor.
visit. Hey. There she goes.
Oh,
Taj Mahal, here I come. Just a few more weeks.
ini gila rumahnya enak banget, cok.
Perfect day. Now all we need is the rest of our boat crew.
Ini rumah siapa? Set 4 yang nonton ternyata, cok. Siapa yang nonton? Udah epilog juga.
And not here either.
3.
Okay, well, I guess I'll just wait then.
Mencari arti.
You keep in here. So goofy. Left his keys. He left his keys.
Oke, mari kita buka.
There's no way. There's just no way.
Oh.
Whoa. I knew it.
Stay in this bus.
What is this?
terus ini.
Kinda creepy. Kinda cool.
Dan ini buku ibunya nih, kalau nggak salah. Cassandra.
Oh my god.
Henry Avery.
Henry Avery. The Gunsway heist. Wait, did you go looking for Avery's treasure?
Ya udah, kalau misalnya kalian mau baca lah ya. Apa nih?
Is that Dad?
Sam sama si Nate. Gila, kenapa di akhir-akhir cok baru ada yang nonton.
Greatness from
Francis Drake tuh kalau nggak salah Uncharted ketiga.
What's this?
Oh.
The hell? Oh shit.
Hey, there you are.
Hey,
Been looking for you. What are you doing in here?
Si Nate udah mulai tua loh.
Come on, we loaded up the boat.
Lihat
It's ready.
mukanya.
cool. I'll catch up with you guys in a sec.
Okay.
I just need to,
What's up, Cassie?
Okay. Don't be mad. Hey, I said don't be mad.
Please. So, what did you see?
Nothing really. Well, just that photo of you two and Sully. With a bunch of Spanish-looking treasure. And a shotgun.
This is bound to happen sometime. I think we should just tell her.
She's not ready for it.
Ready for what? All that crazy shit in there?
Hey.
Language.
Yeah, language.
Sorry. But you guys are literally keeping skeletons in your closet. Or at least a silver skull of some kind.
No, I'm ready for this.
Neat. It's time to have a talk.
Yeah, it's totally time. Wait, which talk are we talking about?
She's just a kid. She's older than you and Sam when we started.
That's different.
Okay, look, if you guys were into some shady stuff, it's totally cool. But I think I'm old enough to know about it, right?
Old enough. How old are you then?
Funny. Mom?
Well, let's see. For me, it started when this guy called me up with a scoop on a massive historic find. It sounded like a complete fraud.
Yeah. Handsome. Right.
No, I hadn't even met him yet.
She knew. She knew.
So this fraud says, if you fund the trip, then I'll give you the coffin of Sir Francis Drake.
And for the record, I totally delivered.
Yeah, you delivered us into the hands of Indonesian pirates.
So, come on, you know I had nothing to do with
Okay,
that.
guys, time out. You're saying that you were attacked by pirates after you found the coffin of Sir Francis Drake. Is that right?
Yeah, that's
pretty much it.
Dan tadi kalau nggak salah Indonesia kesebut tuh. Mohon maaf.
Alright, so keep going.
You know what? The sun is up. Boat's ready. Wind is just right. You want to continue the story? I say we do it underwater. Come on.
Wait, what would Francis Drake look like? Was it gross?
Actually, he wasn't in there. Yeah, just his journal with a map.
What did Francis Drake look like? Was he sitting?
That's the legend. Turns out it was just a statue.
Tapi bagus loh, gila. Kalau misalkan lu nonton di 70-60 fps. Tapi bagus loh, gila. Kalau misalkan lu nonton di 70-60 fps. Bagus, boleh. Kualitas streamingnya juga oke. Well, that's it. The end of the journey. Next, kita main apa? Saya tidak tahu main apa deh. Next. Next ada ini sih COD Modern Warfare 2. Tapi kayaknya kita nggak bakal main itu deh, nggak bakal main Modern Warfare 2. Jadi ya tunggu saja lah ya. Nextnya bakal main apa? Minggu depan nggak tahu deh saya bisa streaming apa kagak ya. Iya nggak tahu gue bisa streaming atau enggak. Atau atau mungkin kita coba ya boleh di skip. Ini nggak bisa di skip ya, halo. Itu main menu. Yes, sudah tamat mode hard mode, dan mungkin kita coba main story encounter select, terus kita pilih yang paling bawah yaitu the duel. Kita coba, ini kan hard udah nih tadi nih, coba kita crashing lah ya. Coba nih, sesulit apa crashing, mode crashing. Tadi kan hard udah nih, kita coba mode crashing, penghancuran. Kita coba saja, siapa tahu ya, mungkin bisa jadi konten kan. Crashing mode, asik, keren tuh. Here we go, Rave. We are facing Rave siapa ya namanya ya, nggak tahu gua. Yang gua tahu Rave doang. Oke, here we go again. Crashing nih.
Nathan Drake raced a madman and his entire army to the steps of Shambhala.
Jesus!
Nathan Drake found the lost city in the middle of the Rub al-Khali desert.
Slowly.
We can get out of here together. Nathan Drake discovered the fabled El Dorado.
Oke, masih easy.
Stop.
Nathan Drake is a legend. You know, I shot the man who told me that.
Look, I get it. You don't like me very much.
You know, for all your greatness, Nate, you have nothing. You are nothing. And I
Really?
urge you to get out of my way.
Oke. Sip. Nice. Oke. Oke. Oke.
I have sacrificed everything.
Seperti itu.
Finding me, and I'm not gonna let a couple of stupid thieves, a senile con man, and a washed-up journalist take that away from me.
Oke. Nice.
You care about that parade of losers so much. I'm going to make sure they join you.
On guard, dickhead. That's the spirit.
You know how to sword fight?
Yeah. Sticking with the sharp end, right?
Oh, this should be fun.
Hey. Oh shit, gila, crashing cok, berkurangnya. Take that. What the
Little disappointed, Nate.
Oke, boleh. Cukup menantang, oke. Gotcha. Oh. Nice.
Come on, quit prolonging the inevitable. My arm's getting tired.
Oh shit.
Now we're getting somewhere.
What the hell wrong with you?
Oh no. Gila kombonya ya. Oke. Really? Oke. Mode setannya keluar dia.
Come on, legend.
Nah, ini dia amukan amarahnya mulai keluar. Nice. Wah. Oke. Baru mati dua kali. Sip. Bener-bener. Seru sih main beginian. Oke, 3 kali. Oh shit. Wah, gila, cok. What the? Nice. Wow. Itu harus siap bulat. Bukan segitiga, cok. Dia karena mulai dari sebelah kanan. Oke. Anjir, ngulang dari sini. Gila aja langsung mati lagi ini saya. Mohon maaf, ini crashing kenapa sulit sekali. Tuh, tadi. What the, ya Allah. Oke. Udah serius, yuk. Serius. Coba. What the, alah, Makjang ini emang mode lagi. Pas ininya di sini nih susah nih. Yang pas setelah dia ngomong come on legend. Wah gila cok, sumpah sakit banget itu pedangnya. Mati berkali-kali gila. Ya. Sumpah gue lupa mulu. Itu dari mau mati gue. Hampir mati. Aduh. Kemana lah ini ada satu orang yang nonton. Kagak bosen ya Anda ngeliatin saya mati-mati. Ya mohon maaf lah. Anak baru saya. Ini transformasi setelah ini gue mati mulu di sini. What the susah banget gila. Gua nggak bisa nebak dia mau mau serangan kanan atau serangan kiri, cok. Masya Allah, ngulang lagi. Shit. Wah, sumpah susah banget. Sumpah, lu kalau misalkan nyoba, lu mau nyoba main ini di level crashing, wah sumpah. Susah banget, Pak. Nggak semudah yang Anda bayangin ini. come on, ayolah, bisa lah, ayolah. Bro, udah jam 11 ini. Buset, dari ngantuk jadi seger lagi gua. Ini perkara game beginian nih. Sampai apal kan lu? Gila, kombonya tuh nggak bisa diprediksi. Nice, ini dia. That's it, kelar nih. Harusnya.
All right. We're done here. Taking my brother and we're leaving. You want to stay and burn with the ship? You be my guest.
You got me.
Oke, udah kelar. Case close, sudah crashing. Sudah kita lewati walaupun beberapa kali mati.
With delusions of grandeur, who, by the way, can't fence for shit. So long, Nathan Drake.
Nathan!
No, give up. That's it. Don't hand it to me. I had everything handed to me on a goddamn silver platter.
Sumpah ini gua kontrol, Cok. Nangkis dari tadi gua kontrol. Bukan sini tuh.
Oh.
You want the treasure, Raven? It's all yours.
Oh, that's it. Ya udah, sudah, terima kasih yang sudah nonton. Udah nggak sanggup lagi gua, udah pegel banget nih jempol nih. Buat next streaming tungguin saja. Oke, udah, terima kasih banyak. Dan ya, sampai bertemu di inian selanjutnya. Di mana? Di selanjutnya, live streaming selanjutnya. Dah, terima kasih. Dadah. Cuma segini cuy. Ini ada satu orang nih yang masih nonton. Siapa ini?